Hello, Des Moines Christian students and staff. I wanted to jump onto this final assembly of the year and give some credit to some amazing fourth grade students. I'd like to honor the Recorder Black Belt earners this year, and please congratulate from Mrs. Scheffler's class, Malachi Bailey, Brendan Blades, Ellery Campbell, Haley Geiser, Caden Horstman, Zane Howard, Izzy Jerome, and Carter Pickard. From Mrs. DeVries' class, Emmy Birch, Trevor Ecoff, Peyton Grease, Josiah Jochems, Bryn Manley, Riker Pratt, Jaden Seidel, Shelby Smith, and Priya Weber. And last but not least, from Mrs. Osborne's class, Annabelle Bowley, Callie DeBrune, Atlee DeCavers, Leah Foy, Bethany Gray, Sophia Hartzler, and Will Nyberg. Well done, fourth graders, and congratulations to those who went above and beyond and earned their black belt this semester. I am very proud of you. And to all DMC students, have an awesome summer, and I will see you in the fall.